Welcome to the Tech Companion admin site. Here you can perform administrative actions on all job packs and tasks you create. Its main function is to help you create, organize, and assign tasks to your technicians and monitor their progress at all stages of work. Let's walk through an overview of the site. This is where you can add graphs to display the current work progress. The Tasks section is where you see a list of all tasks you're assigned or subscribed to. The Job Pack section is where you can organize your tasks into groups. To start, you'll need to add a job pack and create a new task. All tasks must belong to a job pack. To create a job pack, go to the Job Pack section and click the Add Job Pack button. Give it a title, description, and due date. You now are inside of the job pack. Job packs can consist of multiple tasks. To create a task, enter the job pack and click the Add New Task button. Give it a title, assign it to people, give it a description, insert the serial number of the equipment, add a priority, status, and due date, along with a color code for organizational purposes. Creators of a task are added as a subscriber by default, so they can see them and get notifications on their progress. Click the Create button, and you're now inside the task details. Tasks can contain multiple work cards. Work cards are digital work instructions that are generated from client datasets. If you have access to one of these datasets, you'll be able to attach them to your tasks. From within Task Details, click the Add Work Card button. Choose the dataset that matches your task. Choose from the populated list of work cards. These come from the dataset that you have chosen. Specify the relevant filters, if available, to help find the related work cards for the task. Next, you can add 3D lessons to a task or work card if your task has associated lessons created. These are a fantastic tool, which will make inspecting machinery more intuitive for your technicians. They can be created within the Modis Tree Explorer software with a 3D model. To attach one to a specific work card, from the Options menu on the work card, click the Add 3D Lesson button. Select the project that your task relates to from the drop-down. Choose the lesson that matches the work card, and add a license and expiry date for the lesson. If you click on the tab 3D Training, you'll see them listed here. You can also add them from within the 3D Training tab, in which case they'll be on the task level instead of within a specific work card. It's helpful to attach the trainings to specific work cards so that the technician will immediately see the 3D lesson related to the steps at hand. Under the Attachments tab, you can see all the attachments you or anyone else has added or will add. Technicians can add photos and various documents as they're working on a task, and this is where you'll be able to find them all. The Activity tab shows the activity of users when they add or remove work cards, attachments, or 3D lessons, and make progress on a task by changing the status of its associated work cards. The Users tab shows you the list of users currently assigned and subscribed to the task. Under the Comments tab, you'll see any additional comments a technician or supervisor have added to the task for context. And lastly, in the Reports tab, you'll be able to download reports that will include an overview of the entire task and everything related to it, such as the time to complete each work card, list of attachments, remote support sessions, and other stats. This concludes the overview of the Tech Companion admin platform.